All right, so I got 2 of those, and Pinto's still in my container, so that'll be interesting. Okay. Oh, now he's out. See his tail moving by. 2 of these wrapped together. They have, if we can see, flower spikes on them. This one's spent, but this one's got a spike. This has got an old spike. This is previously bloomed. There are 2 in here. This is a new cross from him. It's Richard Mueller crossed to Perennii. Perennii is a brassivola. It's more floriferous, I want to say, than Nodosa, but it has smaller flowers. A few years ago, Fred was offering a 4N Perennii, which I have gotten one of. I'm hoping that's what he used as a parent for this. So this one's got a new growth on it. I ordered 4 of these, and so therefore there should be 2 more, and of course it's in spike. I would expect these to look a lot like Yellowbird, but with more flowers. And Perennii, I feel like, has sort of a bigger lip than Nodosa. Well, maybe not really, but its sepals and petals aren't quite so thin, so the lip does look bigger. Or maybe the lip looks smaller. I don't know. The flowers don't look quite so, you know, spiky. Here's another Perennii. And another Perennii. So these 2 are smaller than the first 2, which are previously bloomed. So a nice selection there. Let's see, here's another golden Tang. Oh, nice new growth on this golden Tang. I've been very lucky in that it's been pretty warm. And so it doesn't look like I have a heat pack in this, but I think it's gonna have a high of 50 today. But when I got my notification delivery from FedEx, it did say it was going to be delivered this morning between 8:30 and 10:30, and so I decided I would go to work a little late so that I could unbox these and get them into a nice, humid growing space. All right, this is Richard Mueller. Oh, it's just Richard Mueller. So Richard Mueller is Nodosa crossed to Laelia milleri. These are supposed to be 4N Richard Muellers. I am trying to get a nice Richard Mueller. I have bought some from Orchid Eros, and I have one that I got from Peter Lynn. That was a Richard Mueller for like an H&R, which is supposed to be 4N crossed itself. And so I'm just trying to get a good Richard Mueller. I am thinking that I might try to make some of my own Richard Muellers, because there's like crosses, because of course you can never have enough of them. I ordered, I think I ordered 4 of those. So that's supposed to be Richard Mueller 4N crossed to self. So the ones I got from Orchid Eros are actually remakes of it. He took, I think, a 4N Nodosa and a 4N Richard Mueller and crossed it to him. So that's what those are. But then these are selfings of a 4N. I also got Golden Spice. So I've had Golden Spice in the past. I had the H&R clone. I have killed it. And so I thought I would get some Golden Spice. So it's Vanagara Golden Spice. I got 4 of these. It's Richard Mueller crossed to Stanfordianum, and my Stanfordianum is now dead. It last year put out like a spike that was pointing down, and so I sort of pseudo unpotted it to get the spike out of the pot, and then I came home from Taiwan and it was dead. I mean, not spike, but new growth. The new growth was pointing down into the pot. So I am Stanfordianum-less. I could never make it now because I don't have a Stanfordianum. Not that I think that I'm warm enough to grow one. Here's another Golden Spice. These are much thicker in leaves. The golden spice red peppers that I have from, I think one's a clone, and then they're all clones. It has like thinner, or it had, since it's dead now, much thinner leaves. Sort of more like, basically much more like the Nodosa parent than Stanfordianum. All right, then let's see what I have here. Two more. I have two more Richard Muellers right here. These all look very good, unbloomed so far. So I have like a really bizarre Richard Mueller that's white, some kind of weird throwback. I've never used it obviously for breeding or anything like that, but I have made a couple crosses with the one that I got from Diamond Orchids, and I hope that I'll be able to share a video of that someday. Watching someone do orchid sex is not that exciting. Let's see, and then here's another golden spice. It's got a new growth on it. Very nice. These have all come very, very nicely. I love the fast shipping from Fred. I got the notification on Sunday, and then it went out Monday, and it's Tuesday, and it's here. All right, so I think that's all the Richard Muellers. And then I got two of each. Sort of fun, different things that are not in the Richard Mueller, but sort of a, you know, along the lines of things that I like. So this right here, oh, people can't see. This right here is Potenara Stippled Sunset. I've had this in the past. I had gotten it, and that basically, it died. I mounted it, and it bloomed like 2 years, and then it died. Stippled Sunset is Suncoast Sunspots crossed Catherine Clarkson. It is a yellow with red spots. Some of his new breeding, he says, with this is now almost solidly red on the sepals and petals. So, but they're round. These are round yellows with spots. Good growth on them. Put them in the container to get him out of Pinto range. Not that he can't jump in this box like a little jerk. All right, and then the other thing that I got that was really fun is, oh, it's named now. So this is supposed to be Mini Purple crossed to Blue Design. So this is like a cerulean. It's not spotted or anything out, and now it's called Memoria Patty Lee. This one's previously bloomed. It's got a little thing on it, like spent spike. I wonder if it will grow. So Mini Purple has Walkeriana in it, and I wonder if it will bloom like that. This one's younger, not previously bloomed. But, so that's the cerulean ones that I got for fun. And it looks like I have one plant left in here, in this box. So this is, what is this? Oh, this must be another Golden Spice red peppers, because I only put, okay, so that's my last Golden Spice red peppers. So no freebie plant, but I did get 10% off for my AOS membership, 5%, something like that. So that's my unboxing for this, and stay tuned for my own someday my own adventures in breeding Richard Muellers.